Have you checked to see if you qualify for the $3,000 grant to retrofit your home from earthquakes? Today we'll be talking about the Earthquake Brace and Bolt program. How's it going, guys? Justin here, back with another foundation repair tip of the day. Did you know that there's a program that gives away $3,000 grants to homeowners just to seismically retrofit their home? You might be thinking, who would be giving away free money to homeowners to earthquake-proof their house?
Hey fellas, look what I found in my pocket. Look, what I call them? Fun coupons.
Well, the Earthquake Brace and Bolt program, or EBB, was established by the California Residential Mitigation Program, or CRMP for short. The CRMP was established in 2011 to help homeowners strengthen their homes from damage caused by earthquakes. Typically, seismic retrofitting a home consists of two main phases. We have bolting and bracing. Bolting adds anchor bolts and sill plates to a crawl space in order to help improve the connection between the wood framing of the house and the concrete foundation that it sits on. This helps to keep the house from moving laterally during an earthquake. Bracing strengthens the cripple walls in a crawl space by adding plywood, which helps to prevent racking or the house from falling off the foundation during an earthquake. Strengthening these cripple walls enables them to act like shear members, which significantly protects the home from collapse during seismic activity. The program relies on adherence to the California Building Code Chapter A3. Chapter A3 is a statewide building code that sets prescriptive standards for seismic retrofits of existing residential buildings. Chapter A3 allows the building department to approve of the retrofit for a house with a 4-foot or shorter cripple wall without requiring plans prepared by a registered design professional, like an engineer or an architect. It requires retrofits of homes with cripple walls taller than 4 feet do have these plans prepared by a registered design professional. Houses that meet the Chapter A3 are typically wood-framed, raised foundation houses built before 1980. If you'd like to learn more about the Earthquake Brace and Bolt program or want to learn more about protecting your home from seismic activity, visit our website at www.dalinghausconstruction.com. If you've made it this far, thank you. Make sure you're subscribed or following us to be notified of our next episode, and stay tuned so we can see you soon.